Hello, my name is Vita and today I will show you how to crochet a rib stitch. I'm not sure how exactly it's supposed to be called, but it looks very much like knit stitch, and it can be used in many different ways. I recently designed a few patterns using this stitch, and I know that with some fancy stitches people usually are intimidated to try them. They are afraid that they will not succeed and so on. So I wanted to show you how actually easy it is to work this stitch. Then I will list you also the patterns where I used it, and you will see which lovely results you can achieve using it. So this stitch is worked on the wrong side. I worked first row of double crochet stitches, and now I will show you how to work it. As a first stitch we work single crochet. Oops. Then insert crochet hook in same stitch, let's say in last completed stitch, yarn over and pull it through. You have two loops on hook. Now insert in the next one, yarn over and pull it through. Only this time this last loop you pull through both loops on hook. Then again you insert hook in last completed stitch, pull it through, then in next one yarn over, and this last one you pull through both stitches. That's it. Isn't it easy? Actually, I'm sure it is. So one loop, second, and through. Okay, I'll work one more and then I will show you how it looks on the right side. The fun thing about this stitch is that you can, for these rows, you can work any stitch. It can be single crochet, it can be half double crochet, it can be double crochet, or even treble to work it faster, for example. So basically you can use any stitch, and then you work on the wrong side on this row. Now let's see how it looks on the right side. You see, it really looks like a rib stitch. It looks like knit. And if, for example, we make a kind of brim for a hat, it will look almost like knitted. After you completed the row, work till to the last stitch. Don't work into the last stitch the rib stitch, but simple single crochet. Okay. Now turn, and it's important that you work next row only into the back loops. You see these ones. So I work chain, and then I insert hook into the back loop of first stitch and work double crochet, then into the next stitch and double crochet. And that's it. You work again to end, then you turn and repeat previous row. That's all. As I said, you can choose which stitch to work between these rib stitches. You can work single crochet, you can work half double crochet or double crochet, or even treble. that's it. I hope you like it. I hope at the end you will use it. I will add photos of the patterns where I use this stitch, and all the links I will leave below. And yes, that's it. I hope you will like it. Bye bye.